Hello learners, welcome to our channel Leap Ahead. In this video, we will discuss the solutions of easy test on spelling concept. If you haven't already taken the test, then feel free to pause the video and attempt the questions as test and then continue watching for the solutions. The question says, from the options given below, find out the correctly spelled word. In this question, we have to find out the correct spelling of the word apprentice. So the word apprentice is spelled as Apprentice. The meaning of the word is a beginner or a newcomer. Let us now have a look at the options. We can see that only single P has been used over here, so we can eliminate option A. In the second option, we can see that again single P is used and E is missing after C, so we can eliminate option B as well. Coming to option D, we can see that S has been used instead of C, and we can see that E has been added over here, which makes the word incorrect. So we can easily see that the correct spelling is option C, which is Apprentice. In this question, we have to find out the correct spelling of the word drought. The word drought is spelled as Drought. Now, the word drought means a lack or scarcity. Now, you need to focus that in drought, GH is silent. Let us now have a look at the options. The first option is absolutely incorrect. We can see that option B is also incorrect, hence eliminated. And in option C, we can see that H is missing after G. So we can eliminate option C as well. So the correct spelling is written in option D, which is Drought. In this question, we have to find out the correct spelling of the word occasion. The word occasion is spelled as Occasion. The word occasion means a kind of an event or a celebration. Now pay attention that in occasion we use double C and single S. Let us now have a look at the options. We can eliminate option A because we can see that double S has been used instead of single S. Option B can also be easily eliminated because here we can see that single C is used instead of double C and double S has been written instead of single S. Coming to option D, we can see that T has been used instead of S, which makes the spelling of the word incorrect. So we can see that in option C, the correct spelling has been written, which is Occasion. So the correct word or the correct option is option C. In this question, we have to find out the correct spelling of the word colleague. So the word colleague is spelled as Colleague. The word means an associate or a companion. Let us now have a look at the options. We can easily eliminate option A because it is incorrect. Coming to option B, we can eliminate option B as well because E is missing after U. And we can also eliminate option C because we can see that single L has been used instead of double L. And coming to option D, we can easily deduce that option D is the right answer because it is spelled as Colleague. In this question, we have to find out the correct spelling of the word intercept. The word intercept is spelled as Intercept. The word intercept means to hijack or to stop. Let us now have a look at the options. We can eliminate option A because S has been used instead of C. Coming to option C, we can see that S has been used, which is not required, so it makes the option eliminated. And we can see that R is missing over here and S has been used instead of C. So option D is also eliminated. So the correct answer is option B, which is spelled as Intercepted. Here comes the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Join me for another test in the next video. In the meantime, keep practicing and do not forget to attempt the next test.